So today we're going to make poke.
Yeah, it's impossible.
Yeah, you guys, it's just the first time this has ever been.
It really is. Embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I can't make this shit up, guys, I swear.
Yeah, it's fun. Guys, as my English isn't good, I asked my wife to do the voiceover.
What's up, guys? Welcome on board. Today we're gonna have some fun at our fishing. And first, equipment. I don't know about you, but that thing reminded me something. Coming up next, our captain will explain us how everything works here.
Set up, we're going about 10 miles an hour, trolling our artificial lures, trying to cover as much water as we can. Got some lures where all the lures are staggered different distances behind the boat, some a little bit closer, some a little bit further back. And that one, that first bite, they made one of the lures a bit further back. Started turning the handle on these reels. None of them have a level wind mechanism. You know, most bait casters I'm used back home, if you turn the handle, it guides the line for you automatically. This massive tackle does not do that. So you gotta put your thumb up and push the line back and forth. All the reels, they have drag levers on them on the side. Just trying to bump those drag levers with your forearm. You're really trying to keep your arm off the side just a little bit. That way you don't have to worry about bumping it as much.
So usually ocean fishing would look kinda like that. But not today, not for us.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, fuck, Sean. Reel just popped off, dude. Start reeling, keep reeling. Yeah. Keep reeling, keep reeling.
Reel fell off the rod.
Keep reeling, man. Are we just handling this thing?
No. Let me see. Let me see what's going on.
First, we try to put it back on.
Okay. Good thing it's on YouTube.
We didn't know what to do, how to help, and how that's gonna end. Is it hard?
Yeah, it's hard.
Okay, put the reel back on here. Okay.
You alright?
Yeah.
Captain was running back and forth trying to fix it.
Ready? You're going?
Really? Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you guys, it's just the first time this has ever been.
It really is.
I've caught I don't know how many hundreds of fish here in Hawaii.
Of course, the YouTube jinx.
Yeah, for sure. Didn't have a bite all morning.
And then we just decided to let it go. If there is nothing that you can do, there is nothing that you can do.
Yeah, it's impossible. You're gonna check it again. YouTube, baby. Embarrassing.
Embarrassing. To say the least, but at least we have a fish on.
Yeah, hey, it's better not getting a bite.
And shit show, but at least we've got some sort of a show.
Right?
And then in the comments they would say, oh, you know what, it was planned. It wasn't the real thing. It actually never broke.
They'll be like, we can't make this. I can't make this shit up, guys, I swear.
That's a brand new rod and reel too. Brand new.
Sashimi.
First we were out, things got dead, huh?
Yeah. It's getting really hard to hold on.
Yeah.
Hold the reel right there.
Don't let him lose the reel.
Okay, you want to come hold it then?
Yeah, well, I gotta drive the boat. Man.
Okay.
Hopefully we still have a fish hooked up there.
What is this?
It's a Hawaiian name is kaba kaba. So wavy back bonita. Holy smokes.
First catch.
And the last one.
So, today we're going to make poke. Hawaiian poke, Hawaiian fish. It's fresh.
Unreal.
Oh.
Put them in the box, yeah?
Yeah.
We are back at our place. Let's get started.
But first we need to carve the fish.
Sashimi. Napa cabbage. Poke. Onion. Green onion. Ginger. Garlic. Ogo. Chili flakes, Hawaiian pink salt, sesame oil, vegetable oil, and soy sauce. Macadamia nuts for garnish. Sashimi, poke.
And now it's time to try the catch of the day.
Best tuna I ever had.
Thanks for watching and see you soon.